guys, and magbabasa kami doon guys. So, be right back later. See you guys later. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's vlog is I'm here guys in the mall, and nag-ano ako guys, nagpipicture sa big Christmas tree nila here. Yan. Napansin nyo guys na yung ano ko, yung bibig ko guys, yung burot siya, pero still stay pretty guys. Nice guys. Bye, see you later. Hi everyone, so for today's vlog is kakain ako and kakagaling ko lang sa school guys. So arat na, kakain na tayo guys. See you guys later. Ito yung ulam natin. Ito yung sauce. Kain tayo guys. Lagyan natin ng konti lang guys. Let's start to eat.